I grew up in Gause, Texas, central part of Texas. Population probably about 500, maybe still today, who knows. I started out singing in churches, singing gospel music because I come from a gospel family. And that was very natural for me. And really how I cut my teeth on music was through gospel music. Later on it was blues because my dad was a huge blues fan and he had these cassette tapes and I used to sit and listen to those, a little Lightning Hopkins, and from Lightning Hopkins to like Aretha Franklin to Ike and Tina Turner tapes. So there's that whole soul interjection with my music came really early with just acoustic guitar. Just finding out how to play these riffs on acoustic guitar was huge for me and has a lot to do with how I play today.
Somebody save me, pray for me tonight. I've got a long way to go before I see the morning light, I do believe.
The discipline comes from having a mother, being raised by a single mom who insisted on us behaving, or else. This is what's interesting. Going into the military, I went into the Navy right out of college. I had no problem with boot camp, with saying yes ma'am and doing what I was told to do. In fact, I excelled because that just fell out of my mouth at home. We always said yes ma'am, no sir. It was about respect. And so in the military, discipline and work ethic and community service, those are things I grew up with.
Blame it on my ears. Swear I don't know what I heard while laughing at my tears. Only you would take your crimes. Swear you thought I knew. Say it happens all the time. That's just what lovers do. That's what lovers do. Only you would build me up, put me on a throne, call me night and day, then just leave me all alone. Only you would bring around girls that you call friends. Only when I'm out of town, then try to make amends. What lovers do.
I have 4 kids and I had them all in the space of 5 years. I didn't mean to do that. It's not like a great idea, especially if you're a musician. But, you know, just like everybody, we found a way to make it work. And it changes your perspective, it changes what feels important to you, you know. So I was able to stop worrying about some aspects of my career and figure out, you know, what was important to me at that time, and then be part of this family and, you know, embrace that love and live in the moment.
Only you, only you, only you. Say that's just what lovers do. Only you, only you, only you. Say that's just what lovers, that's just what lovers, that's just what lovers do.
Life in the blues is like eating dinner. You got to have it. If you don't, you can't make it. Come on out, be with us, and party with us, and have a good time. There's nothing wrong with having a good time.
Such a thrill, but your love don't pay my bills. I need money, oh, I need green. I need money, that's what I want. Money can't get everything, it's true, but what it can't get, I can't use. I need money. But your love don't pay my bills. I need money, a whole lot of money. I need that lean cream, that's what I want. Oh, give me money, a whole lot of money. I need money, lost again, a whole lot of money. That's it.